All right, let's go. Step 1, basics of EKG. Take a step-by-step approach. The first step is just look at the EKG. I didn't say measure, I said just look at it. So in your page that you share with us, the NCLEX Coach page, we actually have 5 pictures. This is the first picture. The other pictures I'm going to work with you, but this is the most important picture. So just look at it. If you can look at it, what you're looking for is this. You're looking to see if the space between the spikes, which are actually R's in your QRS complex, you're looking to see if the space is equal. Don't measure, just look at it. It's that simple. If it is regular, cool, deuces, go to step 2. If it's not regular and it looks irregular, then it could be AFib, because you learned in school that AFib is always irregular. So that's a thought process in your mind, like, that's not regular. Well, could it be AFib? Maybe, and highly likely if you're talking about an NCLEX exam. This step 2 is kind of fun because it's probably easier even than step 1. You're looking at all the R's. So these are the R's. Top of the QRS complex, R. The problem is you have to make sure you're looking at the R's in a 6-second strip. The good news is on NCLEX there's 6-second strips. So if you just counted the R's on your NCLEX EKG, multiplied it times 10, that's the heart rate. Here's our problem. This is not a 6-second strip. If it was, Aaron, we would count these R's. If this was a 6-second strip, we would count these R's, and what would you come up with if this was a 6-second strip?
Well, there's 4 R's, so that would be 40.
Yeah, because you did what? 4 times 10
right.
Came up with 40. But it's not. It's half of a strip. So really, what's the rate since it's only half?
It would be double, so it would be 80.
Exactly. So you've got to make sure that you're counting the R's for the heart rate. Now the next part may not be that easy. The next part is looking at the P waves. Now I'm going to come closer and Aaron's going to tell me when he can see a really good P wave.
Right about there.
Okay, so here's the deal. This is P, QRS. P, QRS. You need to locate the predictable P wave, which is shaped like a half moon. That half moon better be immediately before the QRS. That's the key. It needs to be like immediately before the QRS. It can't be like a little pause, like it's late to the dance. It's got to be, woo, right up against it. All right, or else we're going to have a problem. Now, if there is a pause, so you have to say, is there a pause after this P wave? Then we're going to call this later on, not now, heart block. Woohoo! Heart block freaks you out. You better never see that first, or I'm going to kick your butt. But it is heart block, okay, babies? Now, listen. You counted the R's. You came up with the rate. If the rate is less than 60, it is a bradycardia by definition. If the rate is greater than 100, then it is tachycardia. How are we doing on time, Aaron?
3 minutes and 47 seconds.
Oh, that's good. All right, now, so that was the first part of my board. We're wrapping this mini coaching session up. Stay tuned, because I got more. Peace out.